your Lottie. Today's video is a video for my sample Saturday series, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So today's sample Saturday is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. So I normally use face products for the sample Saturdays like moisturizers and oils and things like that. But with my recent reaction to the sunscreen, I just need to leave my face alone for a little bit longer so that I'm not making things worse, or I try something else that I'll be allergic to and then it will just make it quite a bit worse. So I did get this eyeshadow primer for free, so I want to give it a shot and see whether it really works or not. So I'm just grabbing a brush and I'm just gonna squeeze some out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it looks quite thick and sort of like a moussey formula. So I did pop a little bit on my hand earlier to make sure I wasn't allergic to it. And it is nice and soft. Let me pop it on my eyes. I'm just bringing it all the way up to my eyebrows, and I'm just making sure that I pat it in so it absorbs into my skin nicely. So I am about to go out, so I will be having some makeup on my face today, and I will do a check-in to see if any of my eyeshadow has creased or lost any pigmentation or anything when I get home. I'm just patting that all in. So it feels really nice and soft and very, I think it's more of like a matte finish, but it is very nice. Okay, one thing I can pick up so far is it doesn't really give any coverage. I'm just gonna try and pop on a little bit more. Just grabbing a tiny bit to see if I can pat it in a bit more. Okay, so yeah, it's not giving me the coverage that I would prefer. I would prefer to obviously hide all my like veins and freckles on my eyes, just so then that doesn't disturb the eyeshadow look, because obviously with a little bit of coverage it makes your eyeshadow pop, and then no veins are like peeking through or freckles making the eyeshadow look a bit different. So just pop a little bit more on the other eye. Actually, I'm gonna pop it on with my finger, see if that's any different. It's nice, and it's not like a tacky primer like on your face, not as tacky, but it still is like gripping. It will grip the eyeshadow to keep it there. Okay, so it's the same brush or finger, same outcome. So let's see if this can stand up to my bright eyeshadows. So I will check back in with you guys later and let you know how my eyeshadow has withheld. I will be wearing my makeup for about six hours, and yeah, so far it's nice. I can definitely feel it on my eyes. It feels a bit weird actually, like a bit, now that it's dried down, it feels a bit like weird, you know, when you've got something like tight on your face, like a mask or something. It feels a bit like that. So yeah, I will check back with you guys shortly. Okay, so far using this primer, it's not really helping it blend, so I'm not liking that part so far, but let's just keep blending it out as much as possible. It's just making it harder to blend instead of easier to blend. Hey everyone, just doing a real quick check-in on the eye primer. So this was the Wet n Wild Eyeshadow Primer Photo Focus one. So as you all know, it didn't work for the vibrancy or for blending. So it didn't really help out there. And I have noticed I have some creasing. You can see it better on this eye, some creasing on my eyeshadow. It's not like super bad or anything. I've been wearing it for about 7 hours now, so it's not terrible, but unfortunately it doesn't get my vote of approval, so it's not one that I will keep in my stash of makeup, because I have ones that work way better, hide my veins and help the eyeshadow to blend and to stick. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below. It really helps me out. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.